Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a Russwin Mortise cylinder. It was sent to me by Randy Perkins and is pinned by PickMe1977, so we have no key for this. It feels like there's 6 pins in there, so we'll give it a try, see how we get on, see if we can get this open and see what's inside it. So we'll start at the front. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Right, we've got to click on 4. Nothing on 5. And we've got a little click on 6. And a second little click on 6. So 1, 2, right, 3. We got a very slight little bit of feedback on the core. 4, we actually got a proper click this time. 5, 6, just touched 6 and got a little bit of feedback on the core again. And got a nice click out of 6 and a bit of movement on the core that time. So 1, we've got a little bit of counter rotation and a click. There we go, that one feels like it's set now. 2, we've got counter rotation. With a bit of luck, we've got that one sorted. 3, tiny little touch and got a fraction of movement on the core. 4, 5 and 6. Right, 1 is solid, 2 is solid, 3 counter rotation, and there we go. That was quite interesting one. That is open. It's just the tail piece catching on the vise. So let's get the vise out of the way. Pull the pinning tray in. And have a look inside. So what have we got here? We need to make sure we don't lock this as we have no key. I need to keep on reminding myself because I've done it plenty of times before. There's 1 screw. 2 screws. And the plate right. Where are we? Let's just bring it fraction up. And there we go. So we have a flattened off top of the core. We can see some little bits and pieces going on in there, but let's get these pins out first. Right, 1 sort of large serration, 2 nice little fine serration. Fine serrations on 3, deeper one on 4. Series on 5, and 6 is a standard. So that's all those. And can we get this to focus? Looks to me like we've got threading in all 6, but it's not very deep. Yeah, it's very fine threading in there. It's not even really grabbing on the pick. Either it's been picked a lot and worn, could well be. Let's have a look up top. So in 1 we've got serrations. In 2 I think we could classify that as a spool. If I get it out. There we go. Right, it looks like some of these springs may be different, so get those out in the right order, or at least try to. That one doesn't want to come out. No, that one is stuck in there. Right, 2's coming out. Deal with 1 later. So 2 we have a steel spring. Then in 3 we have, looks like a bit of a T-pin effectively. Right, I'll get the springs out in a little while, they're all playing up. So in 6 we have a serrated pin. 5, nice deep serration. And 4 we have a spool. Right, let's just check these springs out. Right, that was 6. 5. That is actually looking that all the springs are probably the same. It was just the first 2 look like different colours. There's 3. And 1 is definitely stuck in there. Can't get that out at all. Let's just get a bit of light, see if we've got anything in there. So that all looks standard to me. Yeah, nothing in there. So let's get this lifted up. Show you the pins. There we go, nice set of pins. So that's a Russwin Mortise cylinder. So thanks to Randy for sending it, and thanks to PickMe for pinning it. That was a fun one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.